Hey news lovers, back with another video. News came out yesterday that Nintendo was releasing a new accessories package for their Switch portable gaming console. It's called Nintendo Labo or Labo, I'm not really sure which one it is at this point. It'll be available April 20th, and not even going to go there with that date. Basically, it's a lot of cardboard, but it's streamlined cardboard in a way that makes your gaming experience more fun. There are two different kits that are available at this point, the Variety Kit and the Robot Kit. Variety Kit is $69.99 and the Robot Kit is $79.99. So this basically turns your video game experience into like a 4D experience and kind of makes the Switch like a little arcade. They've got a bunch of different accessories, from a fishing pole to a house to a robot kit to a piano. My thought is this is basically the next generation of Legos for these kids. I think it's great. I still love Legos as an adult, but I think this is something for the youngins. Yeah, I said youngins, something that's constructive for them to do before they start playing their game. In today's world, far too often kids are just sitting there playing video games like this, but at least this way they can learn a constructive skill, build something, and then enjoy their games. And because it's made of cardboard, you can use markers of color on it, meaning that the kids can use their creative side and work on that skill as well. It's also great because it can be done as a team, further enhancing their social skills. And what I mean by that is the kit comes with a cartridge, so the parent can put the cartridge in, read the instructions, and then the kid can actually build the accessory. I'm very impressed with this new line of accessories from Nintendo, but what makes me more impressed is that Nintendo has found a way to give an intro into the digital technologies world, and possibly jumpstarting interest, or a possible future career in the technology field. We definitely could use more talent in those fields, considering all the competition in today's changing world. So what do you guys think? Impressed? Not impressed? How do you think the Labo would do sales-wise? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, until next time, this is Nukem384 saying, I'll see you when I see ya.